Claudia here from the Bookkeeping Experts. I've been a bookkeeper for a long time. One of the most popular subjects nowadays is Square integration. So we have a lot of clients calling us, and there's a lot of updates going on. And this is the last update, and I wanted to keep you posted of what's going on. So if you have Square integration with the newest integration, you'll notice a few changes over the past couple or month or so. And I wanted to go over with you. So, once again, I am a Pro Advisor certified professional. I've been doing this for a long time, and I've never seen anybody as excited about me and QuickBooks Online. And now with Square integration as well, because there's so many features that will make your life easier. But everything needs to be set up correctly in order to make your life easier and not harder. Here we go. Okay, first we're going to go to Square. And how do we get there? On the left hand side, there's going to be transaction and then app transaction. Okay, those are transactions that have not been accepted. Now, before I accept the transactions, I want to make sure that those transactions are in the bank. I'm looking particularly about those two transactions over here. Now, see that there is two received, 337.60 and 289.35, and to spend. What does that mean, Claudia? Okay, so with the new update in Square, you're going to see the deposit that has all the details, and on the left hand side is the transfer transaction from Square Bank into your bank account. So once again, on the last video that I recorded, Square was sending straight to the bank once you added, except for cash transaction that would go to undeposited funds. That's no longer the case. There's been a new update, and everything is now going back into Square Bank. Okay, so there will be all the sales coming from Square. There will be a deposit, all the deposits going to Square bank account, Square Bank. And then out of Square Bank, there will be a transfer going into your account. Okay, so this is how it works. So I'm going to go into banking. I will locate those two transactions right over here. Okay, 304 and 268. Is that it? Let's see. No, I'm sorry. That's not it. Square transactions. Okay, sorry. 337.60 and 289.35. Those are the two transactions over here. So I did find them. So this is what I'm going to do. And this happened on the 24th. We want to make sure that this is the right one. Yeah. Yeah. Usually takes a couple of days to post, but those are the two transactions. Okay. So I am going to select the four transactions, because there's the income transaction over here, those two income transactions, and the two transfers over here. I need both. I need all of those transactions, and make sure that they do match, because basically the Square banking is kind of like a clearance account. So the deposits and the sales will be recorded into the Square account, and then the transfer will remove the money out of the Square account and add to your bank account. And then when you see it on your bank account, you're going to be matching it to a transfer, not to a deposit with Square. Okay, so this is a little update, actually quite a big update. With any kind of software, there's always updates, and with this integration of Square, I feel like it's getting better and better. They're fine tuning it, so this is a good. It's a good thing, especially because Square now has it's becoming a little more complex on things you can do with Square, such as Cash App and things like that. So this actually gives you a little bit more control, so you can record the transactions correctly. So here it is, those two transactions. We can select the four of them, and I can just accept selected. Okay. And this will automatically, like I said, record into Square a deposit or two deposits in this case, and um, two transfers. Okay, so now we're gonna go into banking, and I'm gonna flip the date here. Just okay, and there it is. Okay, so I do have, I see there's a couple of days difference, but that's okay. But those transactions are matching with the transfer that was into Square. So I'm just gonna match and match. Okay, so once again, the purpose of those four transactions is to record sales in the books, and it goes into Square Bank and record the transfer out of Square Bank into your bank account. Once again, Square Bank is a clearance account, so it should always zero out at the end of the day. If there is any money in there, you do need to take a look and verify why the money is in there. And if this is a transaction that is actually sitting elsewhere, or if there is a difference because of an extra fee or cash app and things like that, you want to make sure that you're aware of those transactions so that you can make the adjustment. There's always ways to make adjustments to those transactions, and I can show you next time. But for now, this is just a little example of what the newest update for Square integration with QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, write down below and subscribe to our videos. If you subscribe to our videos, we're gonna continue making videos like that to keep you updated on the newest integration updates or software updates and so on and so forth. So write down your question down below, subscribe so you can receive our newest update, and until next time, I will see you later.